You know, we have a beautiful river running through our community, and a lot of times you have to go looking for the river to even know that it's here. We have empty parking lots and dilapidated industrial buildings along the river. And so I think as a community, we're finally taking a look and saying, hey, this is what the river, this is why this city is here. And this beautiful asset, both economically, recreationally. So I think we're recognizing that, we're going through the process, and I really see that this is gonna be a turning point in the history of the city.
Rivers give birth to cities often, as it did here in Fergus, but you also have an opportunity for rebirth of a city. St. Paul has really reclaimed its riverfront, and as a result of that, we have economic vitality that we haven't seen in decades. When I hear folks that have been dreaming about what you could do to reconnect the city with the river, you're definitely on the right track. So you have to have a big vision, you have to have dreamers, and then you got to have executors. And I think you have all three of those things here in Fergus Falls. Take doable chunks and get them done, and then start connecting the pieces. In a decade or two, you're going to have, I think, one of the most beautiful riverfronts in the state of Minnesota.